This is my dad's old tiny little framing square. It only goes up 12 inches. And I think this side is what? 6 inches? 6 by 12? 6 by 12 framing square here? Let's see. Let's get that all wider. There we go. So we're going to clean it up. It's a nice little tool. I can use something like this. So it's a little grungy and a little dirty. So let's make it not grungy and not dirty. We're going to commit the cardinal sin of rotary tools and wear gloves. But it's because we're using this thing. I don't want to get stabbed. But I spray paint it black, and then I'm just going to hit it with the orbital sander, and then hopefully the black stays in all these cracks. So we'll see. If not, I just sand it. Probably used too much paint there, but whatever. Alright, so we're out of the paint, and now we're going to, actually I kind of like how it looks in black. It looks kind of cool, but we're going to bring it back. So we're going to sand it now. I'm going to use graduating. I'll start at probably like 120, and I'll go to like 220, and then I think I got somewhere in the 300. We'll try that, and we'll see how it looks. So, there we go. My dad's old framing, I don't know what do you call it, framing square, a small framing square, I guess that's what you call it. It certainly looks better than it did when I pulled it out of his garage. It's got a little warp to it, but that might be my table too, let me see. Yeah, it's got a little bend to it, but it's alright for what it does. For what I'm going to use it for, it's going to work. I think spray painting it black worked, and then sanding it. On this side, I tried using the wire wheel on it, and I think that might have dug out. Like over here, might have dug out some of the numbers. I did like it black though, and then I did try taking like a scribe and then going through and scribing out all these lines, but it would have been hell to do that to make it black. But I don't know, maybe. But yeah, so that's. So thanks for watching. Just restoring this little framing square that I pulled out of my dad's garage. It's a tiny little guy. It'll do what it needs to do. Longtime viewers will notice no hum from the lights anymore. I got new lights. Put 6 of these LED bad boys up in here. I got a couple more on the way to make things better. Also, let me know if you like the new kind of style of the video, doing with like the music and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments below if you like that. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, that'd be cool. If you really like what you saw, subscribe. I'm trying to do more small little projects like this. I got an old plane here. I think I'm gonna restore that. big projects on the way. So once again, thanks for watching, and have a good day.